Since the dawn of time, humanity has gazed upon the stars with wonder and ambition. Among these celestial wonders, one holds a particular allure: Mars. Our celestial neighbor has captivated our imaginations for centuries, its rusty hue hinting at a world both familiar and alien to us. From ancient astronomers who tracked its movement across the night sky to science fiction writers who envisioned Martian civilizations, Mars has always held a special place in our collective consciousness. Today, that fascination has transformed into a tangible goal: to colonize Mars, to establish a permanent human presence on another world. What was once a distant fictional dream is now within the realm of possibility, driven by rapid advancements in science, technology, and a relentless human spirit of exploration. The prospect of setting foot on Martian soil, of building a new home among the stars, is no longer a question of if, but when. Colonizing Mars represents the next giant leap in human ambition and ingenuity, a proven aspiration of our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Subsequently, it opens up substantial technical and engineering insights, improving every aspect of everyday life. For instance, you'll no longer have to use your imagination when planning on furnishing an empty room. Our thirst for knowledge and our aggressive advancements over the last 100 years encourages growth and expansion. Colonizing Mars is about exploration, physically researching Mars, answering fundamental questions about the history of the planet's potential for life beyond Earth, and actively studying the very nature of human resilience and adaptability on another planet. This endeavor is not for the faint of heart. It demands a level of collaboration, innovation, and sheer determination never before witnessed in human history. It requires us to pool our collective knowledge and resources, transcending national borders and ideological differences in pursuit of a common goal. The rewards, however, are immeasurable. Envision yourself standing on the surface of Mars, gazing up at a sky with streaky thin clouds, trying to come to terms with what Mars was like billions of years ago when it was warm, wet, and more Earth-like. But now, it's another world. The awe-inspiring thrill of discovery, of uncovering the secrets that Mars holds within its ancient rocks and dusty plains. The journey to Mars is a journey into ourselves and a testament to the boundless potential that lies within humanity. It's a story that's still being written, a near future waiting to be shaped by the dreams and aspirations of our current generation and the generations to come. The journey to Mars is perhaps the most daunting challenge in our quest for colonization. The red planet, at its closest, is still roughly 34 million miles away, a vast gulf measured in months of travel through the harsh void of space. Overcoming this distance requires cutting-edge propulsion systems, capable of generating immense thrust while minimizing fuel consumption. Current chemical rockets, while powerful, lack the efficiency needed for such a long voyage. Scientists and engineers at NASA and SpaceX, among others, are exploring innovative solutions, such as nuclear thermal or ion propulsion, promising faster transit times and reduced risks for astronauts exposed to prolonged space travel. These advancements are crucial not only for reaching Mars, but also for enabling future expeditions and ensuring the sustainability of a Martian colony. In the near future, spacecraft propelled by the power of the atom will silently glide across the solar system, carrying with them the hopes and dreams of humanity. Now, let's discuss all the aspects of mission success. From what the astronauts will face on the journey to Mars, to boots on the Martian soil, to technical innovations that are needed to ensure the health and safety of the astronauts and the deployment of the first settlement on the Martian surface. However, speed is only one aspect of the challenge. The harsh environment of space poses significant threats to human health, from radiation exposure to the debilitating effects of microgravity. Shielding technologies, advanced life support systems, and innovative solutions for maintaining physical and mental well-being during the long journey are crucial areas of research, leading to new innovations in space tech and improving overall space travel and safety for the astronauts. These innovative technologies will drastically improve our spacecraft, becoming self-contained biospheres that recycle resources, generate their own oxygen, and provide a safe and comfortable environment for their crews. Landing on Mars presents another formidable hurdle. The thin Martian atmosphere provides little natural braking, requiring sophisticated entry, descent, and landing systems. Perfect precision is required to guide a crewed spacecraft through this thin atmosphere, deploying parachutes and retro rockets with pinpoint accuracy to ensure a safe landing on the Martian terrain. The success of this endeavor hinges on our ability to develop and integrate these technologies, paving the way for a new era of interplanetary and space travel. Upon landing on Mars, the pioneers will face the monumental task of building a habitable environment from scratch. The red planet, while bearing similarities to Earth, presents a harsh and unforgiving landscape. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from solar radiation and meteoroids, while the lack of a global magnetic field further exposes the surface to harmful cosmic rays. The challenges of constructing a habitat amidst a desolate, rocky landscape will be immense. But it is a feat that will have to be overcome to ensure the survivability of the Martian pioneers and achieve their goals. To survive and thrive on Mars, we'll need to create self-sustaining habitats that provide protection from the elements, generate breathable air, and regulate temperature and pressure. Sturdy inflatable modules, buried beneath the Martian regolith, shield inhabitants from radiation while providing ample living space. These habitats will be interconnected, forming the foundation of a Martian settlement and displaying flawless human ingenuity and resilience in the face of adversity. Resource utilization will be paramount for the Mars crew. Martian soil, while rich in iron oxide, giving the planet its distinctive hue, lacks the organic nutrients necessary for traditional agriculture. One solution is hydroponic farms, bathed in artificial sunlight, utilizing recycled water and nutrients to cultivate crops within the controlled environment of the Martian habitats. These farms would provide sustenance for the colonists, reducing reliance on Earth-based supplies and paving the way for a self-sufficient Martian society. Water, locked away as ice beneath the Martian surface. Robotic explorers equipped with drills and ground-penetrating radar will be important in mapping these subsurface reservoirs and extracting this precious resource. This water could be purified for consumption, used for hydroponic agriculture, and even split into its constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen, to provide breathable air and rocket propellant, further bolstering the colony's self-sufficiency. Let's talk about powering the Martian dream. We just can't do without power, guys. So stick with me. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars requires a reliable and sustainable energy source. While solar power is abundant during the Martian day, the planet's distance from the sun means that solar panels would need to be significantly larger to generate the same amount of power as on Earth. Vast fields of solar panels will be spread across the Martian landscape, soaking up the sunlight and converting it into energy to power the Martian colony. However, solar power alone may not be enough. Dust storms, a common occurrence on Mars, can blanket the planet for weeks, blocking out the sun and significantly reducing solar power generation. This proves a need for backup systems, such as advanced batteries or even small-scale nuclear reactors, and wind power to ensure a continuous energy supply during these periods of reduced sunlight. These alternative energy sources would provide a vital lifeline for the colony, ensuring its survival even in the face of Mars's unpredictable climate. Beyond simply providing electricity, energy will be crucial for various industrial processes essential for a thriving Martian colony. The colony will use Martian resources to produce building materials, manufacture tools and equipment, and even synthesize fertilizers for agriculture. This local production would greatly reduce the colony's dependence on Earth, making it more self-sufficient and resilient in the long run. The quest for energy on Mars goes beyond meeting immediate needs. It's about harnessing the planet's resources to fuel future growth and expansion. Martian rovers, powered by advanced batteries or even fuel cells utilizing locally produced hydrogen, explore the surrounding territory, searching for valuable resources and identifying suitable locations for further expansion. This continuous exploration and resource development will be crucial for the long-term viability and prosperity of the Martian colony. Do you enjoy this type of content? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Cultivating life in the barren soil on Mars. Transforming the barren Martian landscape into a habitable environment capable of supporting life is a monumental challenge that goes beyond merely providing shelter and sustenance. While technology can address the immediate needs for survival, Establishing a truly self-sustaining ecosystem requires a deep understanding of the planet's natural processes and the complex interplay of life forms that make Earth's biosphere so resilient. The colonists will face the challenge of recreating, in a controlled environment, the delicate balance of nature that allows life to flourish. One promising approach involves terraforming, the hypothetical process of modifying Mars's atmosphere, temperature, and surface conditions to make it more Earth-like, releasing genetically engineered microorganisms into the Martian soil, capable of converting carbon dioxide in the thin atmosphere into breathable oxygen. While terraforming is a long-term endeavor that would take centuries, if not millennia, to complete, it represents a bold vision for the future, a testament to humanity's ability to reshape entire worlds to suit our needs. In the meantime, creating closed-loop life support systems within Martian habitats will be crucial. There will be bioregenerative systems inspired by Earth's natural ecosystems, where plants utilize human waste as fertilizer, producing food and oxygen, while filtering water and purifying the air. These systems would mimic the natural cycles of our home planet, creating a self-sustaining environment within the confines of the Martian habitats. However, cultivating life on Mars goes beyond mere biological necessity. It's about fostering a connection with nature, a sense of belonging in this new world. Large Martian parks, filled with genetically engineered plants adapted to the Martian environment, provide a space for recreation, relaxation, and a reminder of the beauty and tranquility of Earth. These green spaces would be vital for the psychological well-being of the colonists, providing a much-needed connection to nature in an otherwise harsh and unforgiving environment. It's going to be a long and perilous voyage for the crew. The journey to Mars, even with the most advanced propulsion systems, will be a long and perilous undertaking. Being confined within a spacecraft, hurtling through the vast emptiness of space for months on end. The psychological impact of isolation, confinement, and the constant threat of unforeseen events will test the limits of human resilience. The crew, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of control panels, combating feelings of loneliness and anxiety as they navigate the challenges of deep space travel, their courage and camaraderie tested with each passing day. The physical challenges are equally daunting. Exposure to prolonged microgravity weakens bones and muscles, requiring rigorous exercise routines and specialized equipment to maintain astronaut health. The astronauts, their bodies suspended in the weightlessness of space, diligently performing their daily exercises, their movements slow and deliberate as they work against the unfamiliar lack of gravity, their determination to stay fit, a testament to their commitment to the mission's success. Radiation exposure poses another significant risk. Cosmic rays and solar flares can damage DNA, increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems. Their spacecraft, its hull designed to deflect as much radiation as possible, still requiring specialized shielding and monitoring systems to protect the crew from the invisible yet ever-present dangers of deep space radiation. Their safety a constant concern for mission control back on Earth. Despite these challenges, the human spirit of exploration thrives on pushing boundaries. The sense of awe and wonder as the astronauts witness the shrinking blue sphere of Earth behind them, their perspective shifting as they venture further into the cosmos, their journey a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of the unknown, their courage and determination an inspiration to us all. Landing safely on Mars is only the first step in a much larger challenge, creating a habitable environment capable of sustaining human life. The Martian landscape is a desolate expanse of red dust and rocky plains, with hilly terrain and mountains looming in the distance. The thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from the harsh radiation of space, while temperatures fluctuate wildly between day and night. Our highly trained Martian pioneers, clad in their advanced spacesuits, take their first tentative steps on Martian soil, the rust-colored dust swirling around them, their every breath a reminder of the hostile environment they now inhabit. Building a Martian habitat will require ingenuity, resourcefulness, and a deep understanding of the challenges posed by this alien world. The inflatable modules prefabricated on Earth and transported to Mars, deployed and inflated to create those durable, life-sustaining, interconnected living spaces we talked about earlier. And voila, the first Martian habitats are erected. The Martian pioneers are getting the job done. The habitats' white exteriors reflect the sunlight, as their interiors offer a stark contrast to the desolate landscape outside. These modules, buried beneath the Martian regolith for added radiation shielding, will serve as the foundation of the first Martian settlement. Life inside the habitat will be a delicate balancing act, a constant dance between maintaining a livable environment and conserving precious resources. The advanced life support systems, humming quietly in the background, recycling water and air, filtering out contaminants and regulating temperature and humidity. Every drop of water, every breath of air will be a precious commodity, meticulously managed and reused to ensure the colony's survival. Yet, even within the confines of their habitats, a sense of wonder and discovery will permeate every aspect of their lives. Gazing up at a night sky on Mars, ablaze with stars unobstructed by atmospheric interference, the Milky Way is a shimmering band of stars across the darkness, beautiful and an awesome sight to see. Each sunrise and sunset painting the Martian sky in hues of pink and orange will be a breathtaking spectacle to witness. Survival on Mars depends on minimizing reliance on Earth-based supplies, a concept known as in situ resource utilization. The Martian soil is rich in iron oxide but lacks the organic nutrients found on Earth. While traditional agriculture may seem impossible, innovative solutions like hydroponics and aeroponics offer promising alternatives. There will be rows of leafy greens, bathed in the glow of LED grow lights, thriving in nutrient-rich water solutions. Their roots dangling freely in the air, their growth a vital source of nourishment for the Martian colony, and a sufficient adaptation of Earth's agriculture in the Martian environment. Water, the elixir of life, is just waiting to be extracted and filtrated. Subsurface ice reservoirs also hold clues to the atmospheric history of Mars. Ice core samples will be taken to further study the Martian atmosphere over time and also to search samples for Martian microbial life. The study of ice samples on Mars will help piece together the facts about Mars's true history. As I broke it down for you in the mission brief, the robotic probes with ground-penetrating radar will map these subsurface reservoirs and harvest the ice for processing. The extraction process is carefully designed to minimize environmental impact and delivers this precious resource to the colony, where it will be purified and reused countless times. Beyond sustenance, in situ resource utilization extends to manufacturing and construction. 3D printers will hum away inside workshops, transforming Martian regolith into building materials, tools, and even spare parts for vital equipment. Their creation's a step up in ingenuity, utilizing local resources to build a sustainable presence on another world. This reliance on Martian resources will be key to the colony's long-term success and expansion. Everything must work together flawlessly with maximum effort and determination to see ongoing progress. This will be a future where Martian settlements, no longer dependent on Earth for survival, evolve into thriving hubs of innovation, their inhabitants adapting to the challenges of their new home, their ingenuity and resourcefulness paving the way for a new era of human exploration and continued growth. Beyond the physical challenges of surviving on Mars, the psychological impact of living on another planet cannot be underestimated. Other than the other colonists, isolation and confinement will be their only friends. The constant awareness of being millions of miles away from home. Maintaining mental well-being will be as crucial as providing food, water, and shelter. The lack of a natural day-night cycle could disrupt circadian rhythms, affecting sleep patterns and overall well-being. Artificial lighting systems, carefully calibrated to mimic Earth's rhythms, will help regulate sleep-wake cycles. Comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living spaces, incorporating elements of nature, will combat psychological stress. Communicating with Earth will be limited by the vast distance, with messages taking several minutes to travel. The isolation of delayed communication, the inability to have real-time conversations with loved ones back home will also be a challenge. Fostering strong social bonds within the colony and creating a sense of shared purpose and destiny will be crucial. Overcoming these psychological challenges will be essential for the long-term success of the Martian colony. The pioneers' resilience and adaptability will be tested like never before. Their determination to build a new home on Mars will be a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. On Mars, a new society will take shape. As the Martian colony grows, so too will its social structures and cultural norms. The colony will become a new society born on another planet, shaped by the challenges and triumphs of establishing a human presence on an alien world. The harsh environment and the need for cooperation will foster a strong sense of community. Cooperation will be essential for survival, with individual ambition tempered by the colony's well-being and prosperity. New forms of governance and decision-making processes will emerge. Decisions will be made democratically, with all members having an equal say. Governance will be based on transparency and accountability, with leaders chosen for their competence and dedication. Culturally, the Martian colony will develop its own unique traditions, rituals, and forms of artistic expression. Martian art and music will reflect the challenges and triumphs of life on another planet. Holidays will celebrate milestones in the colony's development. The Martian colony represents a fresh start for humanity. A society that values knowledge, innovation, and sustainability will emerge. The colony will strive to create a just and equitable future for all its inhabitants. The psychology of the Martian pioneers. Excitedly stepping out of their biodome, the red planet, Mars under their boots, a rusty orange sky stretching endlessly above. This is the reality facing the first Martian colonists. Their psychological resilience will be crucial to the mission's success. These individuals, selected for their mental fortitude, will lay the foundation for a new society. Their courage and determination will inspire generations to come. The isolation of a small enclosed community will contribute to a unique psychological landscape. Psychological support systems, virtual reality simulations, and therapeutic gardens will be essential. Fostering social cohesion, celebrating successes, and creating rituals will provide comfort and familiarity. Adversity often breeds innovation and resilience. Martian colonists will develop their own coping mechanisms and forms of psychological support. Martian aspects of art, music, and literature will evolve as new expressions of the human spirit. New psychological therapies will be tailored to the specific needs of Martian colonists. These innovations could hold valuable lessons for psychology and human resilience on Earth. The psychological journey of the Martian colonists will be one of adaptation and transformation. A new generation, born and raised on Mars, will have a fundamentally different understanding of home and belonging. Martian-born individuals will view Mars as home. Their unique perspective and adaptability will shape the future of the Martian colony. The pioneers' reliance on their training and the ability to adapt and rise to the occasion as a unit will ensure smooth sailing. Socio-Martian relationships and family on Mars. The social dynamics of a small, isolated colony on Mars will be unlike anything experienced on Earth. Forming and maintaining relationships in this unique environment will be challenging. Clear communication and conflict resolution strategies will be essential. The success of the colony will depend on the colonists' ability to build and maintain strong, supportive relationships. The concept of family will take on new meaning on Mars. The decision to have children on another planet will carry immense implications. Raising children in a confined environment will present unique challenges. Martian-born children may never be able to visit their ancestral home on Earth. The challenges of Martian family life will be offset by the unique bonds forged in shared experience. Close-knit communities and strong support networks will form. The joy of witnessing the first Martian-born generation will be a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Martian families will lay the foundation for a new kind of human society. New traditions and rituals will develop, reflecting the unique circumstances of Martian life. New forms of social interaction, entertainment, art, and music will emerge. The Martian colony will be a social experiment on an unprecedented scale. It will be a testament to human adaptability and our enduring capacity for love, connection, and community. Culture, that intricate tapestry of shared values, beliefs, art, and traditions, will be woven anew on the Martian surface. Freed from the constraints of Earth's history and societal norms, the Martian colonists have a unique opportunity to create a culture that reflects their aspirations and values. Sustainability, resourcefulness, and ingenuity will be highly prized. A society that values knowledge, exploration, and the expansion of human understanding will emerge. The Martian environment will shape the emerging culture. Festivals will celebrate the Martian solstices and equinoxes. Museums will showcase Martian geology and artifacts from the early days of colonization. Libraries will preserve and share digital archives of Earth's history and culture. Art and music will flourish in this new environment. Martian artists will be inspired by the stark beauty of the landscape. Martian musicians will create compositions echoing the vastness of space. Martian art and music will offer a unique perspective on the human experience. The Martian colony will be a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds. A shared Martian identity will develop, transcending earthly differences. This Martian culture will be a testament to human adaptability and creativity. It will reflect our enduring capacity for innovation. Mars will be the home of a beginning, of a whole new culture in the history of humanity. The colonization of Mars is about the evolution of humanity itself. Martian-born generations will develop unique physical and cognitive characteristics. A new human subspecies will emerge, shaped by the Martian environment. This divergence represents an exciting new chapter in human history. The Martian colony has the potential to become a beacon of progress, a society that prioritizes sustainability, equality, and the pursuit of knowledge will emerge. Scientific breakthroughs, technological innovations, and artistic masterpieces will be driven by a spirit of exploration. The Martian colony represents a second chance for humanity. Lessons learned on Mars will have profound implications for Earth. Technological advancements will be adapted to solve Earth's pressing problems. Knowledge gained from studying Martian geology and biology will lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of Earth's history. The Martian colony will be a source of inspiration, innovation, and hope. On Mars, a new horizon beckons. The indomitable spirit of humanity fuels the colonization of Mars. Scientists and engineers envision cutting-edge technologies, while future Martian pioneers yearn for exploration. Gazing upon the night sky, Mars is now within our reach. Colonizing Mars is the beginning of a new chapter in human history. It's about embracing the unknown and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Future generations will be born under a salmon-colored sky, connected to Earth but distinct. This endeavor will test us, pushing us to confront technological hurdles and navigate psychological complexities. The challenges will reveal our greatest strengths and capacity for innovation. Knowledge gained from colonizing Mars will propel us further into the cosmos. The journey to Mars is for those who dare to dream and embrace challenges. It will test, shape, and inspire us to reach new heights. The legacy we leave will inspire future generations on Earth and Mars. The pioneers' dreams will be fueled by the same spirit of exploration that guides us now. Mars offers us a challenge to advance. The challenges of colonizing Mars are undeniable, yet they pale in comparison to the enduring potential of human advancement. Throughout history, we have overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles, driven by an insatiable curiosity, a relentless pursuit of progress, and a deep-seated belief in our ability to shape our own destiny. Just think of the collective effort of brilliant minds across the globe, collaborating across disciplines, transcending national boundaries, and pooling their expertise to turn the dream of Mars colonization into a tangible reality. From developing sustainable life support systems that mimic Earth's natural processes, to harnessing the power of the atom for interplanetary travel and beyond, every challenge presents an opportunity for innovation. It's amazing. All the breakthroughs in material science, robotics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology that will emerge from this grand endeavor, not just enabling our survival on Mars, but transforming life on Earth as well. I simply can't wait for this to transpire. We will be able to create closed-loop ecosystems, self-sufficient habitats, and advanced medical technologies, among other amazing innovations, all inspired by the challenges of living on another planet, yet applicable to addressing some of humanity's most pressing problems here on Earth. The pursuit of Mars colonization will not only advance our technological prowess, but also foster a new era of global cooperation. Picture nations setting aside their differences, recognizing that the challenges of space exploration transcend political boundaries and that the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity are goals that unite us all. We would witness international collaboration like never before, the sharing of resources and expertise, the collective celebration of each milestone achieved, all realization of the power of human unity in the face of a common goal. It would be like a whole new world here on Earth, a better and more prosperous way of life for everyone. This is not merely a technological endeavor, it's a testament to the enduring human spirit, our capacity for problem solving, our adaptability, and our unwavering belief in the power of collective action. Wow, the inspiration drawn from witnessing humans walk on another planet, a moment of joy and pride that will see many tears shed with overwhelming joy. It's in our DNA, our drive and determination, our ability to overcome any obstacle, and the ability to achieve the seemingly impossible when we set our minds to it. This undying spirit of sheer will, development, and innovativeness, this unwavering belief in our dexterity and potential to achieve the unachievable, will be the driving force behind the success of Mars colonization, and a beacon of hope and prosperity for the future of humanity, and the diverse directions our civilization will go as we continue to move further into space and finally visit the nearest stars. Colonizing Mars is our destiny among the stars. The colonization of Mars is not an endpoint but a launch pad, a stepping stone on humanity's journey to the stars. It opens up an opportunity for a future where Mars is no longer a distant outpost, but a thriving hub of human activity, a second home for our species, evidence of our ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive beyond the confines of our home planet. Future generations born on Mars, gazing up at a night sky filled with stars and familiar constellations, their perspective shaped by the knowledge that humanity is no longer bound to a single world. With Mars as a proving ground, we will push the boundaries of exploration further, venturing deeper into the cosmos, unlocking the secrets of our solar system and beyond. Our sophisticated spacecraft, powered by fusion engines and other advanced propulsion systems, carry intrepid explorers to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, searching for signs of life in their hidden oceans and studying asteroids, unlocking the mysteries of our solar system's formation. We will have telescopes orbiting Mars, peering deep into the universe, unraveling the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, expanding our understanding of the cosmos, and making new celestial discoveries. This journey will not be easy and will be full of perils, but with our skills and ability to excel under unbelievable odds, makes colonizing Mars that much more doable. The knowledge gained, the technologies developed, the resources discovered, all will contribute to the continued advancement and prosperity of humanity, both on Earth and among the stars. This is our future, where the resources of our solar system are utilized sustainably, where energy is abundant, where poverty and scarcity are distant memories. A viable future where humanity, united by its shared heritage, pride, and boundless potential, embraces the challenges and opportunities of the cosmos, ensuring the survival and prosperity of our species for millennia to come. The colonization of Mars is an important step in this extraordinary journey to become a spacefaring civilization, further sparking resolute in our spirit of exploration, our endless curiosity, and our undeniable belief in the power of prosperity and advancement. It is a journey that will test us, inspire us, unite us, and ultimately lead us to a future where humanity's reach extends far beyond the bounds of our home planet. A future where we take our rightful place among the stars. Mars is waiting. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay elevated. Cheers.